Today on Brian's Back Room, we're going to talk about the Snow Joe 15-inch wide 11 amp snow thrower. So we're going to get right to that, get this thing unpacked, build it, and unfortunately there's no snow today, so later we're going to have a video once we got some snow of running this thing, seeing how it handles the snow. Let's get this thing open. Okay, so we got some pieces in here. Let's see, that's okay. Whatever. Got some small parts heard. Get that on the table. Some instructions, looks like, another documentation. Let's get that up. Nope, this is not one piece. Hold on. Okay, let's get that piece of cardboard out. Trash off to the side. Okay, how do we get this out? How do we get this out? Here we go. Okay, so this looks like arm, and okay, so these are attached, so I need to maybe try doing that. There we go. Okay. And I dropped it. Yep, I dropped it. Okay. Get this box out of the way. That's everything out there. Don't know what that is yet. So, okay. And this thing I dropped here. Okay, so got the main body. Put that to the side. This part. There. Screw. Part. Those are some parts, and then I guess in the arm handle and instructions. Here we got register your product. Ooh, $20 gift card. Show your words, show your pictures. Okay, so gift card. And the actual, okay, hold on, multiple manuals. Different language, don't speak it. Different language, don't speak it. And this is English. Okay, so that is what's inside the box. And it looks like there's some assembly, so I'm going to read the instructions and then start going again. Okay, so we're going to put this thing together now. Went through the instructions and looked at it real quick. So got some rough idea how this goes together. There's no tools needed, it looks like. It's all, just can put it together by hand. So that's a real nice feature for anyone that's concerned about that. So first step is actually to put these guys on, which is on, but I'm gonna actually tighten it just for now. Might change my mind later. Let's get this tight. Yeah, this already came together. I don't know if that's normal, but because it had me putting these on myself. Look at this. There we go. Okay. So I'll tighten these up. Okay, that's all tight. Yeah, still fine. Okay, that's tight. So next step was to take these J bolts And then gonna undo that. I'm gonna get this lined up in here. Okay. Yeah. J-bolt comes in from the outside. What's on? Okay. What's the screw on the top? Get these to line up. Oh, it says let's line up. Okay. There we go. Then tighten. Okay. I've got that one holding before I tighten it all the way. I'm gonna get this one on. So again, you can see what I did over there. Probably a little better from this angle. I'm gonna get this through the J-bolt. There we go. Okay. Just had a bad angle. And tighten this guy up. I'll get those fully tightened later, so we can keep moving. Okay, then I'm supposed to take the cotter pin out of here. Okay, that's out. And we put this guy in. Yeah, so this is the lower crank rod. And so this is what's going to control the rotation of the hood up here. So I'll slide the pin back in if I can. Yep. There we go. Okay, so the hole goes a little further than the rod can go, so I wasn't getting this all lined up right. Awkward spot for my hand. Once it's assembled, it shouldn't be a problem anymore. Well, that's on for now. Okay, then we slide. This is the upper crank rod. Slide it through here. And these are supposed to line up. Oh, okay, never mind. So, slide this back. Let's get these to line up. Rotate you. Okay. And in further. Out further. In further. Just keep missing. There we go. Okay. Slide these together. Okay, there we go. See the holes lined up now. Now we slide this in and tighten them up. So it's just a hand screw. You can see doing it by hand, so no need for a screwdriver. Get that going. Okay. Just gotta tighten these a little. It's not holding as well as I'd like with it, just because they're loose, not because there's anything wrong with it. So, and then from here, those together. We grab these guys. They're going to secure this on. So let's roll you over to the center, and let's try and turn this for a better angle. How does this work? Nope, other way. Okay, so this guy goes on. Was it this way, right? Yes, deflector hood. That up. Unscrew this and push the screw through this side. This hole. Just get that a little tight. We don't want to go all the way quite yet. Okay. Come around here. Okay. And screw that in. Oh, cool. And then so it can pivot a little. That's nice. So we'll try like right there for starting. Let's get those nice and tight. Everything's real adjustable on this. Anyways, so the idea, here we are. Here's the cord. This will, so actually, cord right here has a little plastic piece inside. It's probably good for storage. So just 2-prong cord. Plug that in. And then next time it snows, I'm going to try and do a demo. But otherwise, real simple to put together. Real easy to control. Good size for walkways, decks, patios. I'm going to try using this on my driveway because I'm kind of short on storage, and we haven't gotten enough snow the last couple years to really go for a nice big full one. So I wanted to just try this little guy out, see. Hopefully it's not too small. It takes forever, but we'll find out. So until it snows, that's it for now. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. There's no snow outside right now, so I can't actually test this yet, but as soon as I can, I'm going to take a video to see how it works, and I'll try and get a link from that video into this video. Until then, if you're interested in the Snow Joe, there'll be a link in the description, and if you like this video, hit like. If you want to see more of these videos, please hit subscribe, and that's it for today. So, just gonna, yeah. Listen to that 11 amp power.